Okay, doing 103s, trying to catch up on this thing. Um, I enter the 103s 1 o'clock-ish. Let's glide in. They're normally map repair, no doubt, because I'm recording this one, it won't be. Basically group the ships, and then I come in here and I go around anti-clockwise, and I don't really particularly target anything. I try and keep at range from these, but go around the island first. I'll just drive around it. Take that building out now. We can get these last 3 tourists. Didn't like that little squiggle then when it came around that corner. Well, it's fired 3 times, so I can sit and kill that now. Come across to this spot here. I'll do the second half, and again I'm going to go around anti-clockwise. So just come down. I'm going to try and get this one on the first pass by. Doesn't always get it. Doesn't got it. Basically drive through. The timing should be mean that doesn't fire at this moment in time. Around this little island. And across this, keeping wide of these as you can, but not don't go into that fire thing. Got across the back here. Take this building out, and then down to here, so that it should hopefully take these out with a splash. It does. And then you've just got this batch, and I come this way because I can't be asked to target stuff. And if I come the other way, I do seem to get more damage, so all they're fine. I just keep moving and then back, double back. Right. So let's see what the time is on that. I mean, the normally under 5 minutes, with this one might not be, just because I'm recording it. It is. And it's the high-ish evade flag. Hardly does any damage. And then the others are just mainly all damaged ships. I think it's more or less the same. If anybody needs the build, I can put it up, on the post afterwards. So there we go. That's the 103s. It does also the 102s with the crew on. Sea Serpent crew. We'll also the 102s very often for map repair as well. Sometimes they have a few seconds over the 5 minutes, but very often it's map repair for the auto in the 102s. So there we go.